This is a summary for Romeo and Juliet, Act 1, Scene 3, and I like to call this specific scene Girl Talk. The people that are involved in this specific scene are Juliet, Lady Capulet, and the nurse. The nurse is our newest character that's being introduced. She's a very lively, talkative character, and she's Juliet's second mom. So what takes place really is Lady Capulet, Juliet's mom, has a heart-to-heart talk with her daughter about marrying Count Paris. Lady Capulet tries to persuade her to examine every line of his features at the party that they're throwing. Juliet does resist and tells her mom basically that she's going to give him a chance, but she does not guarantee she will fall in love with him. So she does make a choice for herself, so it's good that she is standing up for herself. This all takes place in Juliet's room, and the reason why this is an important scene is that we know that Juliet is being resistant. She is standing up for herself, and we also know that Count Paris's plan of marrying Juliet in 2 years may not work out after all, especially if she isn't interested in him. So that is Act 1, Scene 3. Enjoy the read.